Hi to everybody. My name is Sandra Moreno. I am work in the National Department of Statistics in Colombia. Our institution is commitment in the monitoring and calculation of SDG indicators. And for the reason, DANE coordinates with other agencies and institutions the progress that allows the materialization and production of SDG indicators. And also through the Geostatistics department in DANE, we are working in the use of air observation and geospatial data to calculate SDG indicators and focus on 11 SDG indicators. So thanks to that, we are identifying methodologies that help to produce information for example, indicators 11.3.1 or 11.7.1. And recently, we are working in explore methods that help to calculate information for other indicators as 11.1.1 or 11.2.1. It's important to mention that we use air observation like a Sentinel or Landsat imagery, but also we link this data with other sources of information as administrative register or census data or other sources information that help to improve the calculation for these indicators. Well, we have some issues when we started to work with air observation data. At the beginning, we found that this air observation data requires process large volumes of information. For the reason, it's important to check or review the use of cloud computing service that allows to process this high volume of information. And also, especially in our country, we have some areas with permanent cloud cover. For the reason it's important to review other kind of imagery, like a radar imagery or others that help to reduce this issue. Well, finally, if other country wants to use this air observation, I definitely recommend, because now it's easy to have access to free imagery. And also to do that, it's important that improve the capacity building of the institution that can process and found and explore with this source of data. Also, I recommend that it's important to strengthen the partnerships, work with other agencies, like for example, a cartography agency or other institution that has experience in the use of this kind of sources of information. But also it's important to work with other institution, international institution that has previous works and help to understand what is the methods, how these other institutions solve some problems or just have this experience, how you can learn from others and learn from the other experience. I think that this is very important. So check and review the methods that others use, the scripts helps a lot. Definitely there are a lot of potential in these sources of information you need to start to work.